Hello guys, in this video we will see what is the use of this particular browse tool and what is the use of this tool and how we can use it. So if suppose as we know that Alteryx is using data which is having a capacity up to 1 MB. So after 1 MB of the data on the file it can import in this particular canvas. So for that purpose we are having the screen out tab. Just click on this favorite, take this particular input data. Okay, we are finding out this particular browse tab also. Now we have to connect it to the data or to a file. So it is redirecting us to a window that is data connection. Click on files, go to this particular select file option. Already I have chosen the path sample data Excel folder. Now I will select this particular file named as sales 2017. As you know that this particular file is around 2.4 MB capacity, so the file which is having data up to 1 MB can only be imported in Alteryx, but partial data will be available in Alteryx up to 1 MB data. So you can see it in the results. Just click on it. Now there is only one sheet which is named as sheet 1. Yeah, so click on OK. So in this particular configuration pane, you can have the record limit file format. You can see over here different types of options are given over here. If you want to see only specific options such as 3 options, 4 options, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, capacity which you want to see, so you can just type number over here, just click on Ctrl plus R or click on this particular number, and 400 records is being shown at the downward side. You can observe it here. Just click on this one button, then the result workflow is going to available over here. It is saying that use Ctrl plus R to run the work. Then and then the results workflow is going to available over here. Yeah. Now it is being displayed that there is only 18 seconds were taken by Alteryx designer to import this particular data, and it is now displayed in this result workflow. So 12,008 records are being displayed out of 51,290. Over here you can see it. And the results are partial results of the 1 MB capacity taken over here. So at the last you can see 12,008. So now we will use this particular browse tool. We'll go over here. Okay. So it has been connected to this particular sales 2017.xlsx file. Click on this particular. So it is now saying that this particular configuration pane you have to click on run button or you have to just use Ctrl plus R. So now click on this particular run button. So now the whole data is going to be available. 51,000 record is the whole data. So it is going to be available in the result workflow. And you can see over here in the left side in the configuration pane, you can also see the particular fields. So 6 fields are there. It means that 6 columns are there. And the data which is available, so first the partial data was available, and in the second case when you have to browse it, the whole data can be available. Yeah, now 41.4 seconds were taken. So now over here you can see that 51,290 records displayed, 1.6 MB capacity. Okay, so if I am going to scroll it down, At the last, you will find out this particular record of 51,209. So likewise, you can do it in this particular manner. So this is the use of this particular Alteryx, and this is the beauty of this particular tool. You can see, even though the capacity is of 1 MB limited, you can see the whole data also in this particular Alteryx. And at this particular configuration pane, you can see the data. You can visualize it in the form of charts also over here. So till the data gets loaded, you can see this particular results in this particular workflow. You can browse it. If you are going to click on this over here, you can see that there are 12,008 records out of 51,290. Over here, you can see that there are around 51,290 records. So that's it for this video. I hope you have understood. Thanks for watching.